Welcome. If you want to record screen in your Xbox Series X, at the first you have to open the game that you want to record. For example, I'm going for this one, and after that we have to click on the Xbox button and then just go right here for the capture and share, and simply click to start recording, tap X, and you can see our record is on the way. And of course, if you want to finish this record, you have to just wait a few seconds and it will, turn off after 2 minutes, because when you click this Xbox button one more time on your remote control, you can go right here and you can manually stop recording, but also it's going to turn off after the 2 minutes, as I said before. So click, and as you can see, the game click was recorded. So right now, if you want to check where it is, you have to click this icon one more time and then just go for the recent captures, and here we got our record, as you can see, at the top of the list. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.